you ever feel like the more you share your plans, the more things just don't work out? Like the moment you tell someone what you're working on, something goes wrong. Well, let me tell you something. There's real power in not telling people what you're up to. In fact, disappearing from the noise and working in silence might just be the key to unlocking your full potential. We live in a world where everyone is putting their lives on display. Every move, every thought, every achievement is shared, liked, and commented on. But here's the truth. The more you open up your life to others, the more chances they have to pull you down. And most of the time, they don't even do it on purpose. It's just a natural thing. It's human nature. The minute you're exposed, people start to form opinions, judgments, and expectations. And sometimes, their energy, whether it's jealousy, negativity, or even indifference, just throws you off your game. But what if, instead of putting everything out there, you kept it to yourself? What if you disappeared for a while, went off the radar, and just focused on you? That's what we're diving into today. How disappearing and working in the shadows can completely transform your life. And I don't just mean a little change. I mean a transformation so big that when you finally show up again, people won't even recognize you. So let's start with how to disappear. This is the foundation. The first thing you need to do is shut your mouth. I know, sounds simple, right? But it's actually harder than it seems. We have this habit of wanting to tell people what we're up to. It feels good to get validation, to hear people say, "Oh, that's awesome, you're doing great." But here's the thing, you don't need that validation. In fact, it's often the thing that gets in the way. The more you talk about what you're going to do, the less energy you have left to actually do it. So from now on, keep your plans to yourself. Don't tell your friends, your co-workers, or even your family. This includes social media too. I know it's tempting to post about every little success, but every time you do, you're giving away a piece of your momentum. Instead of talking, focus on the work. Put all that energy into action. The less people know, the more you can focus on making real progress. Now, the second part of disappearing is to only care about your opinion. I get it. This one's tough. We live in a world where we're constantly worried about what others think of us. We want approval. We want praise. But here's the harsh truth. Most people don't care about you as much as you think they do. They're too busy thinking about themselves. And the ones who do care? Well, their opinions often come with their own biases, their own insecurities. You've got to let go of that need for external approval. Here's what you do instead. Create a version of yourself that you admire. Picture the person you want to become. Now ask yourself, would that person be proud of me today? Would they be impressed with what I've done so far? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. If it's no, then it's time to level up. The only opinion that should matter to you is the opinion of that future version of yourself. That's the person you're trying to impress, not anyone else. Once you get into this mindset, you'll find that disappearing becomes a lot easier. You're no longer looking for validation from the outside world. Instead, you're focused on you, and that's where the real magic happens. So now you've disappeared. You're not sharing your plans, you're not looking for approval, and you're working quietly in the background. But what should you actually do during this time? This is where you need to be intentional. This is where you commit to the work that's going to transform you into that next level version of yourself. Whether it's building a business, getting fit, learning a new skill, whatever it is, now is the time to go all in. And when I say all in, I mean it. You're not just dipping your toes in the water here. You're diving headfirst into your goals. You're putting in the hours, the effort, and the discipline. Because here's the thing. Transformation doesn't happen by accident. It's not something that just magically appears one day. It's the result of consistent, focused effort over time. Let's talk about why working in the shadows is so powerful. When you're not constantly seeking validation or sharing your progress, you eliminate distractions. You're no longer worried about what people are saying or thinking. You're not looking for praise or approval. All that noise fades away, and you can put all of your energy into the task at hand. This creates a laser focus that most people never experience. Think about it. How many times have you started working on something only to get distracted by a notification, a comment, or a conversation? When you disappear and go quiet, those distractions disappear too. You're left with nothing but your work, and that's when you start to see real progress. But here's the thing. As you start to see progress, you'll be tempted to share it. It's natural. You'll want to show people how far you've come, how much you've improved. But you've got to resist that urge. Because the minute you show your progress, you lose some of the momentum. You're inviting outside opinions again, and those opinions can mess with your focus. So instead of showing off, keep it to yourself. Let your progress be your secret weapon. The longer you keep it hidden, the more powerful it becomes.